A blinking red or green light on your Walgreens heating pad indicates a problem that needs attention. This could be caused by connection issues, internal malfunctions, overheating, or component failure. First, check all connections. Ensure the cord is securely plugged into both the wall outlet and the heating pad controller. Inspect the cord for any damage like frayed wires or bent prongs. After inspection, unplug and securely reconnect everything to ensure proper connections. Next, reset the heating pad by unplugging it from the power outlet and waiting 10 to 15 minutes. This allows the internal system to reset completely. After waiting, plug it back in and turn it on to see if the blinking light issue is resolved. Check that the heating pad is set to the correct temperature or mode, and ensure the power button is firmly pressed. Lay the heating pad on a flat surface, as folds or creases can cause malfunctions. If the auto shutoff feature has been activated to prevent overheating, allow the pad to cool down completely before trying again. If basic troubleshooting hasn't resolved the blinking light, we need to try more advanced steps. First, test a different wall outlet to rule out power supply issues. Next, examine the controller carefully. Check if the indicator light is working properly. No light might indicate a power issue or faulty controller, while a flashing light suggests an internal malfunction. Test different heat settings to see if the pad responds. Make sure the heating pad is laid flat without folds or creases, as safety features may prevent operation when the pad is improperly positioned. Safety is critical when dealing with heating pad malfunctions. Defective heating pads can cause serious burns, electric shock, or even fires. Always inspect for damaged components. For specific error codes, follow these reset procedures. For an F1 error, simply unplug the heating pad for 30 seconds, then plug it back in. For an F2 error, the procedure is slightly different. Unplug for 2 to 3 minutes, then hold down the power button while plugging it back in. The display should be dark after a successful reset. If these troubleshooting steps don't resolve the issue, it's time to contact customer service. Reach out to Walgreens customer service or the manufacturer for assistance with warranty support or replacement options.